Alright, today we're going to be making some bacon cheeseburger bites. They're delicious. I hope you enjoy. So we're going to start with some cloves of garlic here. Just going to give them a slice and a smash. There we go. Pop the peel off there. Now you got your garlic all smashed. You know how we do. Now go ahead and give her a chop. And go ahead and grab your minced garlic and throw it in a bowl there for now. Onion. Let's get this onion chopped up. Just chop it in half like that. Take the peel off. Do some incision cuts this way. And a couple this way. We're going to dice it up nice and small. Go ahead and sweep them up and get them in that bowl. Alright, now you're going to take your ground meat. I got some medium beef and some pork. We're going to mix the two, a little beef and pork. Get them in there. Go ahead and take a little salt and pepper. Get it in there. And I like to add a little garlic powder because you can never have it too much garlic. Now it's time to roll up those sleeves, pull them back. Gonna get your hands dirty. Get your hands in there. Just break up that meat a little bit. Try and mix it in together. And try not to overwork it too much. Gonna want to get your pan oiled up a little bit. Got some olive oil. I'm using a little muffin tin for the little muffins because I like to keep them separated. Give them a little swirl. Once you got all your meat mixed up, you want to go ahead and take little balls, and you're just making little meatballs that will fit nicely in your little unit there. You don't want to compact them too much. Once you get them like that, I like to just flatten out the top because we're going to be adding toppings on top of these. Alright, you're going to take your bacon here. We're going to slice it in half. We're going to take all these half pieces and put them on a pan. Now we're going to slice up some toppings. We got a tomato here. We're just doing slices. And we're going to take those slices and we're just going to chop them in half, just like that. Pickle, obviously we're gonna take it and just slice it. I like to do angles on this one. Then we're going to go ahead and take a couple of leaves of lettuce here. And I'm just going to take them and give them a little slice. Alright, we got some cheddar cheese slices. We're going to go ahead and cut these into quarters. Boom. There we go. Alright, you got your oven preheated to 400 degrees. Let's throw in those meatball burgers and the bacon. Those will take about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Bacon looks done, so we're going to take that out. Just let that sit for now. Meatballs are about done too, so we're going to take those out. Put them up here. And you're going to take your cheddar and just put them on top. There we go. We're going to do half cheese, half no cheese, just regular birds there. I'm going to toss them back in the oven for a little bit and let that cheese get melty. There we go. There we go. Cheese is all melty. Alright, you're going to let those cool for a minute. Might as well get the creative juices flowing before you plate that up. Oh, that's tasty. Yo! You're going to take some toothpicks, stick them into the meat, and it should just lift off nicely there. Add a slice of bacon. We're going to add some lettuce, slice of tomato, and a pickle on top. there you go. You can put some mustard in there for a condiment. You can use whatever you like. A little barbecue sauce, a little mayonnaise. I'm gonna throw a little habanero hot sauce in there, make this a spicy mustard. Just drizzle that a little bit. Well, there you have it, some keto bacon cheeseburgers. Hope you enjoy.